The first column of the compact view section is the ASIN product overview. Here we can see the ASIN's image and any applicable images. We can see the ASIN's title, the ASIN, how many units the ASIN is estimated to sell per month. By clicking on view details, you get a view similar to as if you were on the Amazon listing. Here you can see the category, items and dimensions, the weight, any applicable model numbers, item numbers, UPCs, manufacturer, brand, and other important information. If you've also added your supplier's details, you can also view this information here. You also have access to Astro's AI vendor search, which looks for suppliers of this ASIN. The variation viewer, which loads every single variation and variant within this variation set. You can add the ASIN to your inventory. You can refresh this ASIN to view up-to-date data. You can perform an Amazon search for this, a Google search. You can add a comment. And you can also view the ASIN's chart data and offer data. Here is the chart, and here are all the offers that apply to this ASIN. Notice that when we added a comment, we also can see it from the actions button over here.